If you're a dividend investor, you've probably asked yourself this question at some point: how do I get reliable income without putting all my eggs in one basket? Because let's be honest, buying a handful of dividend stocks might feel safe, until one of them cuts its dividend. That's where diversification becomes critical. And today, we're talking about an ETF that aims to solve that exact problem, the Wisdom Tree US Total Dividend Fund, ticker symbol DTD. By the end of this video, you'll understand what DTD is, how it works, its pros and cons, and whether it deserves a spot in your dividend portfolio. Hello viewers, if you're enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with this, and remember to comment and share. Let's get into it. What is DTD? DTD is an exchange-traded fund designed to track the performance of dividend-paying companies across the entire US stock market. But here's what makes it interesting. Unlike many traditional ETFs that weight companies by market cap, DTD uses a dividend-weighted strategy. That means companies are weighted based on how much cash dividends they actually pay, not just how big they are. So instead of blindly following the largest companies, it emphasizes the ones returning the most money to shareholders. Why dividend weighting matters? Let's break that down. In a typical S&P 500 ETF, the biggest companies dominate the portfolio. Think about companies like Apple or Microsoft. They take up huge portions simply because of their size. But in DTD, companies that pay higher total dividends get more weight. This can lead to greater exposure to value stocks, more emphasis on income generation, and potentially less concentration in mega-cap growth names. In other words, it aligns more closely with what dividend investors actually care about: cash flow. Diversification benefits. Now let's talk about diversification, because this is where DTD really stands out. DTD includes hundreds of dividend-paying companies across multiple sectors. We're talking about exposure to financials, healthcare, industrials, consumer goods, energy, and more. Instead of betting on just a few dividend stocks, you're spreading your risk across a broad range of businesses. So if one company cuts its dividend, it doesn't destroy your entire income stream. That's a huge advantage, especially during uncertain economic times. Yield and income potential. Now, let's address the big question. How much income can you actually get? DTD typically offers a competitive dividend yield compared to broad market ETFs. It may not always be the highest yielding option out there, but it strikes a balance between yield, diversification, and long-term sustainability, and that balance is important. Because chasing ultra-high yields often leads to higher risk. DTD aims for a more stable, diversified income stream instead. Expense ratio and costs. Of course, no ETF discussion is complete without talking about fees. DTD has a relatively low expense ratio, making it cost-efficient for long-term investors. That means more of your returns stay in your pocket. And over time, those small cost differences can add up significantly. Risks and downsides. Now, let's keep this real, because no investment is perfect. Here are a few things to consider before investing in DTD. First, dividend weighting can tilt the portfolio towards certain sectors, like financials or energy. Second, it may underperform during strong growth markets where non-dividend paying tech stocks dominate. And third, dividends are not guaranteed. Companies can and do cut payouts, especially during recessions. So while DTD reduces risk through diversification, it doesn't eliminate it. Who is this ETF for? So, who should actually consider DTD? This ETF may be a good fit if you want broad exposure to US dividend-paying stocks, prefer a hands-off, diversified approach of building a long-term income portfolio, but it might not be ideal if you want maximum growth, prefer picking individual dividend stocks, or are chasing very high yields. In conclusion, at the end of the day, DTD is about balance. It's not the flashiest ETF. It's not the highest yielding. But it offers something many investors overlook: a diversified, systematic approach to dividend investing. And sometimes, that's exactly what you need to stay consistent and avoid costly mistakes. Disclaimer: this content is for informational and educational purposes only and should not be considered financial, investment, or legal advice. I am not a licensed financial advisor. Investing involves risk, including the possible loss of principal. Always do your own research and consult with a qualified financial professional before making any investment decisions. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more investing breakdowns. And let me know in the comments, do you prefer dividend ETFs, or picking individual stocks? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.